And the music don't feel like it did. And the music don't feel like it did. And the music don't feel like it did when I felt it with you. Reminds me, baby, of you. I break down and cry. Next time I'll be true, yeah. Fever for lost romance. Reminds me, baby, of you. I took a crazy chance. Next time I'll be true. Footsteps on the dance floor. Reminds me, baby, of you. Teardrops in my eyes. Next time I'll be true, yeah. Whispers in the powder room. She cries on every tune.
Yeah, man. Southampton and London's been pretty
I think
sick.
you're right.
It's nice because Levi's up next, and then I mean you got the headliner, but then Guerra and Stone on later. It's been really cool to sort of see what guys that we've been playing with for years, like migrating to London and sort of showing our thing up here. It's cool, right?
It's almost like we're still at home, but we're not.
Yeah.
Plus you're here, and you're here, and you're here. I
He's
don't know
here.
where you're from, but I'm going to count you as one as well. So yeah, it's all good.
It's good fun. It's good fun. And the venue's really cool as well. It's a kind of quirky little thing. I've never been to the venue before.
No, it's
kind of
wicked,
a
actually.
mismatch, like the adult playground kind of vibe. It's cool, man.
I wish I got here earlier to have more pieces.
Yeah,
That pizza was nice, but I reckon the meat toppings would have been like.
yeah. People still coming in as well. Do you know what I mean? It's early doors, so it's gonna be a good night.
In my eyes. Next time I'll be true, yeah. Whispers in the powder room. She cries on every tune, every tune, every tune, every tune, every tune. And the music don't feel like it did. And the music don't feel like it did. And the music don't feel like it did. And the music don't feel like it did.
Fucking buzzing still. Big night, you know what I mean? Garage.
Feeling about Southampton in London.
It's how we do. It's how we're supposed to be. We're supposed to be all over the world, let alone just Southampton. So it's how
How
we're
you
gonna
feeling
go.
about your set?
I thought it was alright. I need to ask you lot what my
I
set
think
was
you were
about.
amazing. Huge love to the Levi J. Many thanks.
Big up, big
All
up.
the best. Big up, big up, big up.
Anytime. Peace and love.
Next time I'll be true, yeah. Whispers in the powder room. She cries on every tune, every tune, every tune, every tune, every tune. When I'm dancing round, reminds me, baby, of you. I really let you down. Next time I'll be true, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. We are at True Sounds, Bloomsbury Lanes. It's been an absolutely crazy night. There is a bowling alley in the middle of this nightclub, which people have been playing whilst I've been DJing, and dancing on the dance floor and dancing with bowling balls. It's been intensely crazy. We came direct into London from Skegness. We were playing at a big reunion earlier with Tiny Temper, Mentalist. I have to say, this was one crazy, crazy night, and it's been very enjoyable. The crowd were really up for it. Loads of girls on the dance floor, loads of birthday crew. Yeah, and it's been wicked. We've been here, we've been giving out some albums, Ministry of Sound, Addicted to Bass is our new album that's out in a minute, winter 2014. And yeah, looking forward to catching you all soon. Big ups.